Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Flowlab.io tutorial. And in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few things. First of all, give me a second, there we go. First of all, I kind of remembered that I didn't really give you guys a way to, move the camera along with the character. So that's what we're going to be figuring out, or that's what I'm going to be showing you guys at first, and yeah, but first I need to show you guys something in the Flowlab forums. If we scroll all the way up to Leave Your Game Here and I'll Review It by Crygents, he'd actually reviewed my game, well, one of my games, and he gave it a final score of 3 out of 5. Go ahead and leave your games here that you've created, and Crygents will review them. As you can see, he is he's kind of busy. But anyways, let's go back to the creator, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So first of all, you're going to want to go into the behaviors, and now you're going to want to look for the camera. Right here in the components section. You're going to spawn in the camera block, and what you're going to do is you're going to see something a little bit, something that's going to seem a little bit weird. That changes with this. There's now a blue border right here. And basically, to go to the left, you need to go into the negatives, and to go into the top, and to go up one, you need to go into the negatives as well. However, to go right and to go over to the right or to go to the bottom, you need to go into the positives. You can obviously turn on background repeats, but we're not going to have that because I'm going to end up showing you guys how to do backgrounds. But basically, the blue border shows where the camera kind of starts over here, or it's basically showing the edges of what the camera's going to see. So if we bump this all the way over to where I made the end of the level at, over to exact 40, I'm pretty sure I just free drew that. That's actually kind of impressive. As you can see, it goes all the way over here. So then now, give me 1 second. I want to create a coin trail that leads all the way over to here, just so you guys will be able to see. So basically, now, as you can see, it moves. The background kind of moves along with it, and there's a bunch of different coins here. So, now, what else am I going to be teaching you guys in today's Flowlab.io tutorial is going to be collecting coins. We're going to be adding a coin collector, and yeah. Now, first of all, we want to make sure that this is named coin and not new type 3. So we're going to change this over to coin. And now we're going to make it non-solid, but enable collisions. We want to make a non-solid so our character can just glide right through them, like so, as you can see here. But now you're probably like, well, why aren't we able to collect it? Well, that's because we need to add in the coding for it. So the simplistic way of adding this in is to start off with collision, and of course I did the idle animation, so I used a once object. I put in the animation, the idle animation that I have, and loop animation, so it just consistently goes. So now we're going to want to click collision, and we're going to want to do player. So whenever it collides with whenever the player collides with the coin, we are going to be putting in, I believe it's in components, yes, a destroyer. This will destroy the coin object. But don't worry, it's not going to destroy it all. Alright, so then as you can see, whenever we collide with the coin, it's going to make that one disappear. But whenever we go all the way to the end, I think I placed another one down here? No, I did not. Let me just check. No, I didn't. So we're gonna place one relatively nearby. So as you can see, it doesn't delete all of them, it just takes away that one that we had collided with. So now we need to track how many of these have we collected. Putting it in the coin block is going to be ridiculously stupid because it's going, basically every coin that we create is going to be adding on another one of them. So what we actually need to do is we need to go ahead and we need to add in a collision block on the player, and every time he collides with the coin, it is going to go into a 1 number block, and then I believe it's like that, I believe. And basically what it's going to do now, this is simple, it's not going to display it yet, but basically every time we collect it, it's going to add 1 to that number. And of course, whenever we stop it, it's supposed to stay at 0. There we go. Anyways, now we need to create GUI. We need to go over to label, and we need to add in alpha, and then, or not alpha, sorry, value. There we go. Value is what we need to do. So now we're going to change this from saying label to saying 0. And we're going to create another label right here, and we are going to name it coins. And we're going to give it the colons, and what we're going to do is we're just going to make it fully black, so it's a lot more noticeable. There, and then now we're going to change the color of this one. This basically changes the color that it is displayed on the GUI, and yeah. So now it looks like this. Now how do we fix it? We simply need to look for our cursor to go like that. There we go. Now we move it like this and like that, and if I have done this correctly, I will be checking my work. Yep, it adds up the numbers. So yeah, so this had been a very small tutorial of this, and just to show you guys that it does indeed do a thing. I'm gonna be collecting all these coins right here, and as you can see, perfect. A perfect 8. So yeah, that's gonna be all for the video today, guys and gals, and I shall see you all later. Bye.